Hey guys, it's KB We're Saving 101 and I'm KB. I am going to give you another Thredup video today. It's an emergency. Um, I had a sold that I was showing you yesterday, and I went to go through and follow up and put all the information on my Instagram as far as how the bag was performing and everything else. When I clicked on that kit on my telephone, every one of my items were in the red. Not only were they in the red, this box has been active for 11 days and items have already sold out of it. So what does this mean? Thredup has adjusted their pay scale. They are now, and it states it on their official website, and if you go into your app even and you look underneath your how to understand your payouts or something, it will state in there that you can now only mark up your items 50% of what they value it at. Yesterday I was talking and I posted on my Instagram how I was noticing that even their values were already going down. And one item was Paige jeans, and it used to be valued at like 120 and now they're only valued at 90. All right, if you're going to devalue the item $30 and now you're going to tell me I can only mark it up 50%. Yeah. Now, this is, of course, brand new. And the thing of it is, I think they're receiving so much backlash. There has been a post that they communicated with chat and was told that this will not affect the kits that are current. And they're going to give this 30 days, which means they're going to keep it as is for 30 days. Now, I have 3 boxes sitting there waiting to be checked in. If they're not checked in within those 30 days, they've already received them. They are in their possession. I think they should go through and honor their original. Unfortunately, we don't know what's going to happen. They could receive such a backlash that, yeah, I hate to say it. I mean, but they do have a lot of, like I said, they just went through and are now working with their whatever company. I can't remember the name of it. It's not in my head right now. But yesterday I told you, yeah, they just went and signed up with the consigner. They consigned their or rented out their items. Well, like I said, maybe they don't need us anymore. You know, if they're not going to allow us to make a decent kind of profit, I mean, think of how many items, especially Ann Taylor or White House Black Market, and those are no longer going to be valued that high. Those usually are a lot of sales. The higher end items for me have not really been selling. I'm going to tell you that right now. So yeah, I always fill my box with a lot of that bread and butter. And if I'm not going to get a decent payout for the bread and butter, I'm not going to send in boxes. Not only that, I'm not going to end up paying no $10.99 and $16 to try to recoup when I send them in good stuff that isn't selling even when I mark it to 50%. I have no idea. But if they really want people's garage sale items that they can flip fast, the quality and value of their items, I think, are going to go down dramatically. You know, come on, Thredup. Go to a garage sale yourself. Go to a resale shop yourself and then tell us, yeah, you're going to keep taking anybody who's cleaning out their closets because you're able to make the 20 bucks and pay us 75 cents. I don't think that's going to work very well. Own view, you guys could have yours. I don't mind saying, yes, let's not maybe mark it up that high, but like I said, their value on items have come down and now they're cutting 50%. And we're just gonna have to wait to see what happens. Until for the next 30 days, I plan on sending in no boxes. I will still give you a weekly update. And if there's breaking news, as there is today, I will break in and try to share it with you. So I apologize for not doing this sooner, but I had my granddaughter here. She's 1 year old and, you know, I got a life too. But just so you know, it's happening. It's real. Here we go.